Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the repeat tune video effect. So to add the repeat tune video effect, you are just going to add your photos or videos and go to effect, select video effect, and select night color. Here's the repeat tune effect. But it is perfect. You have to join corpus to be able to use it. I will download it, just add it like and this for the option right here is time, row, size, speed, and texture, and simple to finally select. So cool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have any questions, please type in the section below. Thank you so much for watching.